any browser. In my case, I am in my Opera browser, and once here, you need to simply go to Instagram.com, and it will open up the page like this. And in this page, go and click on Sign Up. And it will open a new sign-up form so that you can fill in your information. Now, here enter your email address or you can enter your phone number as well. Then enter your name here. Give it a username down here, and make sure you enter a unique username. And lastly, enter your password. After you've finished filling your information, click on Sign Up. Then set up your birth date and click on Next. And now it is asking you to enter the confirmation code. So whether you used your email address or phone number, they will send you the confirmation number. In my case, I used my Gmail account, so I am gonna go to my Gmail account and see the confirmation code. Here I have it. And you need to enter that code here. And simply click on Next. As you can see it here, I have my new Instagram account created. Thank you for watching. Like, comment,